How to find north on Google Maps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find north on Google Maps. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply open up your Google Map. Head over to maps.google.com, and after you're on your maps, so if you're not able to see or find north normally, whenever your map is here, your default is actually already facing north, and this should be the north right here. So as you can see, this above is the north. And if you don't know how to find north when you are zoomed in and it's not pointing up or something like that, so something like this case right here. So when you're looking like this and you don't know where to find north, you'll see this compass right here on the right side. What you can do is rotate this view like this and make sure this red dot is pointing up. Whenever the red dot is pointing up means that everything that is at up is north. So if you keep on going north, you'll eventually even lead to North Pole. So yeah, that's basically how you can find the north on Google Maps. And it's that simple. And yeah, you can do the same for south as well. And yeah, that's basically how you can find north by pointing this red arrow on the top. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. And bye bye. Take care.